Let's go, Switzerland!
Bye, Mommy! Bye-bye! Bye-bye, driver! Bye-bye, driver! Bye, Daddy! Bye-bye! See you November na! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Hello!
Hello, mabuhay.
Mabuhay!
Kumusta? Salamat po. Straight and right.
Thank you! Hello from Dubai! Oh, hi!
One eternity later.
Goes to Zurich, Ohana!
We're finally here!
Hi, this is our room
Yes!
for 4 days.
Ayan, magka-roommate kami ni Jean.
Hi.
We're finally here at Switzerland. Nakapag-check-in na kami sa Radisson Blu here in Lucerne. So, quick tour muna tayo ng ating room. No? So, ito yung pinto, no? So, lalagyan natin tong card na very advanced din sila. Tapos, may upuan. Tapos, meron ditong cabinet. Ayan.
With extra pillows and
Yeah.
panels.
So, for twin bed yung allocated sa amin ni Pru. And then, ito yung CR sa Radisson Blu. So, wala siyang bathtub, shower lang. Pero, okay na, maliwanag naman, maganda. Ayan, tapos, yan, may couch. Maliit lang, sakto lang for working station. May table. Then, may TV. Tapos, may sofa na maliit. Then, the two bed. Ayan, guys. So, we're finally here! Switzerland! So, magbibista kami ng super bilis kasi diretso na to agad ng city tour. No? Mag-walking tour kami. So, very quick bihes lang. So, mamaya na. See you later!
See ya! Bye!
A few moments later.
Jasper goes to Lucerne!
First activity for today,
Walking tour.
walking tour. Yan. Kakaluwas na namin.
The hotel is
Hotel.
there to your left, Radisson Blu.
Yes. Ayan.
It's fronting the Blues River. Rather,
Ayan, si Miss Marites yung kasama natin for today. Hala, nakalimutan ko mag-gloves.
ala. Wala, no, you don't need it.
Hello, guys! Hello! Walking tour, walking.
Naka-shorts na na lang sila.
Sis, ganda!
Pero bukas, comfortable shoes.
Yes.
Yes po.
Opo.
Look how nice, eh?
Look, guys, super nice. I'll turn you around.
Bukas, maaga tayong, we will be back by 3:30.
Super nice,
so you
diba?
can
Sa
already hang around
Lucerne.
here.
Opo.
This one, no?
Oo.
Ang lapit na pala nito. Pwede pa tayo, anong oras po ang sunrise dito?
You know, when I was young, what I do in the city, the first thing I do at 7 o'clock or even 6:30,
Catch the
I
sunrise.
go out and
Yun,
catch the
perfect.
sunrise, see the lovely city without the crowd.
Wow, sige,
Without
bukas
the
na.
crowd. It's very romantic. It's
What?
very...
We have our personal tour, guys.
Thank you, Mami. Sino tayo?
Ayan, may personal tour guide tuloy tayo. Sorry,
Guys,
Tess.
pupunta kayo ng Switzerland.
Kontakin niyo si Miss Marites. Hello!
These are the boats, for the...
Oh, guys, look. Wow! Kain kami ng cheese na isang
salad.
Yes. Anong tawag dito?
Fondue.
Fondue. So, cheese fondue daw, yung pinaka parang traditional way na parang salo-salo dito sa Swiss. So, yun yung gagawin natin mamaya. Hintayin natin kumulo yung cheese.
Saka known sila guys sa mga cheese. So, parang bawat cheese daw may iba't ibang ingredients. Tapos sila pinapa-age daw nila yung cheese para mas masarap. The more na mas age siya, mas mapait. Dahil mga facts.
Ayan, try na natin yung cheese fondue. So, meron daw ang laman kong cheese is paprika, hajinomoto. Mag-mekis na tayo, guys. Di ba ba tumulo? After lang. And yes, we're back here in Radisson's Blu, Lucerne. So after a long, very long day, a tiring one, no? Kasi bumiyahe tayo from Philippines, Dubai, then here na in Switzerland. And after no, nag-city tour walk tayo na super iksi lang, mabilis lang, going to the restaurant kung saan nagkaroon ng fellowship, no? Yung pinakita doon sa restaurant, yung kanilang rich culture and traditions ng mga Swiss. And also, yun, kumain kami ng cheese fondue na super sarap. Pero, ayun, unfortunately, sumakit yung tiyan ko. Yan na naman. Sumasakit na naman tiyan ko. Pag super busog, grabe ka po, Prulife. Sobra mo po akong binubusog. Binubusog ang mata, ang puso, at ang tiyan. So, I want to say thank you to Prulife kasi kung hindi dahil kay Pru, hindi ako makakapunta dito sa Switzerland. Ayun, so pahinga na tayo. And dahil sa mga susunod na araw, marami pa tayong pupuntahin. And sana, kasama ko pa kayo and let's explore the beauty of Switzerland. Good night! Bye!